Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline panel van. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. This is accompanied by a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes in the solid paint colour pure grey. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a body colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function, as well as a set of front parking sensors. Moving around to the side, the Transporter sits on a set of 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear loading barn doors, some Transporter badging across the left door, and the vehicle also benefits from having a rear view reversing camera. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the load area, it comes fully ply lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There are 2 LED interior spot lamps providing illumination, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and in the cab itself the driver's seat has 2 armrests along with a twin-seater passenger bench next to it. In the centre of the dash, providing entertainment, is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that provides access to DAB as well as App Connect, which allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Some other notable options include 2 front heated seats, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.